The soap trick can work on toilets with high water levels if you apply it carefully and monitor for overflow. When tackling a toilet that has a high water level, start by removing any excess water with a small container so the bowl sits lower than the overflow rim and you reduce the risk of spilling. Use a generous amount of liquid dish soap or a block of soap grated into the bowl to lubricate the passage. The soap reduces surface tension and helps trapped matter slide through the trap. Add hot but not boiling water from a safe height so you increase flow energy without damaging porcelain or seals. Let the mixture sit for 5 to 10 minutes to soften and mobilize the clog. If you have a plunger, create a firm seal and use slow, steady thrusts rather than aggressive hammering to avoid splashback when levels are high. For persistent clogs, a toilet auger is preferable because its curved cable reaches the trap without requiring you to lower bowl water drastically. Feed it gently and rotate while pushing to break up obstructions. Always keep towels and a bucket nearby and stop immediately if the water approaches the overflow or starts to rise. Common issues include causing an overflow when you add soap and water too quickly, so pace additions, bail excess water first, and stand ready to catch spills. Another problem is relying only on soap when a firm blockage needs mechanical action, so switch to a plunger or auger after giving the soap time to work. A third concern is using excessively hot or boiling water that can crack porcelain or deform seals, so heat water until it is comfortably hot to the touch and pour slowly from a low height. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by connecting people with professionals near them and providing a discussion community where users share experiences and tips. We also help contractors find work by listing projects and offering a place to engage directly with homeowners and other tradespeople.